my point of view, is the one behind the pen. So
Oh, damn.
I don't know if that's the
20.
one that matters.
And
What's
you want
up?
to personalize it too? What's his name?
Hell yeah. I got that key at the house on me.
Okay, ask him if he's.
Call me no.
Yeah, she's trying to spot us. I'll be with you. We'll get together and sign. I know we want our picture together.
Well, that's true.
Yeah, $10.
$10, please.
I can't believe.
$10 donation.
Commander.
You can't believe it.
Picture
You
set?
should know me by now.
Okay.
What I got? I don't know.
Take a picture, proper smile.
Oh, yeah.
With it.
I
Say
ain't
sandwich.
There we go. There we
I
go.
love my job.
You guys look like a
Why
Oreo
didn't you get the
cookie.
big?
Yes. Want to rich Mac.
I was just the sweet center just now.
That's right.
There's
the
How
cream
are you?
filling.
Pretty good. So pretty good.
Wait, what am I getting? Oh, I'm starting to freak out too.
You can call me Al.
I know.
Al.
Hi,
Starting to
Al.
act like he should have.
Do you have a favorite character?
It's just regular people.
Spike.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty good.
Mike, you're gonna get me and Alan together. We're gonna take ours together.
Is he recording?
And can I have a picture
Absolutely.
Wait, I gotta get my
Behind-
sign
for
first.
her.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta get my sound.
Oh,
Headband.
okay, I'm here to do that. My son. Oh, nice. Got me sign as a.
Shaking bad.
Hey, that's how we feel every time we have to audition, so don't feel bad. Maybe not when I've been doing it 20 years. I won't.
Well, you've done very well in your audition. You got the job.
Okay.